Hi everyone! So today I have Holly with me. This is a baby that I got from Laurie Duncan, and she was a previously owned baby. And this is Maizie, in case anybody doesn't know who she is. But with that face, I don't know how, if you know Maizie, you know Maizie by this face. And this is Maizie. And so we are going to get her out of Auntie Laurie's outfit that she came home with because it's Christmas and she needs a changing. So we are going to change her. She has very fine hair. I don't know if you can see that. Her hair is very, very fine. So we are going to get her. I think she's like a baldy. When I see her, she looks like a baldy because her hair is so light you can't really tell. But she looks like a little baldy. But we're going to take care of that because we have, let me put these up here. We have this cute little outfit that Auntie Laurie gave us in her unboxing. This is a 3 to 6 months, so we shall see how this fits her. See if it fits her bigger, smaller, because she kind of changed. I mean, it all depends on the clothing itself, because she can fit into like 3 months in something. She can fit into 6 months in other things. I haven't tried the 6 to 9 on her, so we shall see how this works. And Auntie Laurie, if you are out there watching this video, I went to this place called Marie Nicole. I went out there and I bought her like 3 more outfits with this type of material because she looks so cute in it. And we have a fall one. I bought like a fall one and a couple spring ones, and they have like the ruffles and stuff. And I can't wait to try it on her because this outfit is so cute on her. So I went out there to the same place to see what I can find, and I did find her some really cute ones. So I'm really happy about that. So I hope those will fit her like that one did, because that one was super, super cute. But anyways, we are going to get her out of this Christmas stuff because this girl needs a changing into something. Oh, it's really like cute dressy. You know, so she's got a little dress on. I'm having a hard time getting this off of her because she is a big girl. And like I said, some things fit her, some things don't, and you guys probably think I'm torturing her or something. But I'm not. I'm just trying to get this off. And of course this doesn't have any, and she's got long sleeves on too, so I'm going to leave her in the long sleeves because she does have a little jacket that goes with that dress. But there's what she looks like undone and undressed. But the little dress I showed you has a little cardigan, so I can keep her long sleeves on. And Auntie Laurie was good about putting red on her and then giving her long sleeves, so the red wasn't touching her vinyl, and so it didn't leave anything red on her vinyl. Red has a tendency, guys, I told you about how much I don't like red, but when you do it in the proper way, then she's fine. When you do it the improper way, where you leave their vinyl exposed to those colors, it can rub off on the vinyl, and you don't want that to happen. So this has no buttons, so we're just going to put it on over her head. And like I said, her dress has short sleeves, and I know she has long sleeve onesie on, but she will be okay because, like I said, she comes with a cardigan, and that will cover up those white sleeves. Eventually, I will get her into short sleeves, like a short sleeve onesie. When it gets like warmer weather, I will do that. And then this seems to fit her okay. It's a little bit big in the back, but it's okay. She will wear it just fine. And of course we have her little legs that can be covered. See, it's a little bit long for her, but it's still cute. I love this outfit because it has got this cutest winter scene on it, and it's got like foxes and like these type of trees. I don't know what they are. These are pine trees. We have a bunny rabbit. We have deer. We have snowmen, squirrels. So it's still such a winter outfit. So I think it looks adorable on her. Like I said, it's a little bit big because this is 6 to 9. So I know that 6 to 9 doesn't fit her as good, but that's okay. We will do with that. And let's get her little cardigan. I did pierce her ears. Auntie Laurie, she's got pierced ears now. I don't know if you knew that or not, but her ears are pierced. I pierced them. I thought she needs pierced ears. So I did that when I got her. And I think they look really cute. I need to see if I can buy her maybe, I thought about getting her some bigger ones, but I don't know. I think this might be okay, the smaller ones. See, even though the dress is a little bit big, you won't see it back here because of this cardigan that she has. And we have some fuzzies. And so you can't see these sleeves because her cardigan is over it. So that's why I was saying she doesn't need to have her sleeves done yet. But when it gets summertime, we'll go into some shorter sleeves. So we can put summer clothes on with short sleeves. But for now, the long sleeves will do just fine with this outfit. Now, on the other outfits, I don't know. Well, the ones I bought her should be okay because they're all long sleeves like the Christmas one, except for they're just different patterns. So, but oh my gosh, she looks really super cute in this outfit. Oh, you look so cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know whether to leave that buttoned or unbuttoned or what, but look at the cardigan on her. Oh, it's so cute. She looks like a big girl. Even she is a big girl, but she looks like my big girl. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Oh, she looks adorable in this outfit. I love it. I'm going to just leave her socks on. I know they're white. This is like a creamy off-white and in her burgundy color, but I don't have any cream color socks for her yet. I really want to get her the ones that kind of go up to the knee, but I haven't had a chance to buy any yet, so we're just going to go ahead and leave the legs exposed with the white socks because that's all we have. And then Auntie Laurie was so sweet that she provided us with a little headband that matches. So we're going to put this on. Let's see if Mommy can get it not in her face. There's one side. I like to make sure that they're laid flat back here. What do you have in your ear? You have, oh, I know what you have in your hair. We know Christmas has been around. She's got a little fairy dust in her ear. Oh, lots of fairy dust around my house with the Christmas holidays because everything seems to be glitter. So... But look how cute. Look how cute she is. Oh my gosh, I love this headband. See, look at me, YouTube. Look how cute. Let's kind of push it out your face just a little bit so they can see your face. Look how cute she looks in this outfit. Oh, I love it so much. She looks so adorable. I like her headbands low. Let's see, let's try them on this side. Let's see how that works. You're still going to have your eye probably closed. No, that looks good. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. She is so adorable. So say thank you, Aunt Laurie, for giving me this outfit. It's so cute. I love it so much. It goes so cute with her coloring. But oh my gosh, she's adorable. I can't sing anymore. But anyways, guys, I'm going to let you go. I just wanted you to come out. Thank you for coming out to watch my video with Holly, aka Miss Maizie. I didn't realize that's who she was when I really picked her up from Laurie. I didn't realize that this was the Maizie kit. I had no idea. I just seen her face. and I thought I have to have her. Her face is just gorgeous, and she's smiling, and you know me with my smiley babies. I just have to have them. So I didn't even realize that she was the Maizie kit until it started going around. During Laurie's video, when she just brought her out, we didn't get a chance to talk about her at all because Laurie's camera cut off and we lost the feed. And then when we got back, we didn't talk about Maizie. we went on to the next baby, so I really didn't know what she looked like or anything. I just knew she had a smiley face and I wanted her. I didn't know anything about her. I didn't know any deets about her, as how big she was or anything like that, or what sizes she took or nothing, but I just wanted her because of her face. I think she's super cute. So anyways, guys, I just want to thank you so much for coming into my video and taking a look at Miss Little Holly. She's super cute in this outfit, and we definitely need it with the long sleeves because it's cold here in Texas today. 2 days ago we had 83 and 82 degrees 2 days ago. Today we're in the 50s. So welcome to Texas. This is how our weather is. It jumps from one, you know, hot times to cold times. It's just absolutely crazy. And yeah, I don't understand it. I don't think I ever will. And why I live here, I sometimes wonder. But anyways, guys, we will all see you on the next video. I think I'm still got to change Lilith out of her Christmas outfit. I have to change Nicholas out of his outfit. And my brand new baby Zuzu, my little bitty 12-inch silicone head, partial silicone, she has to have a changing, and we're going to change her in one of Auntie Laurie's outfits that she sent along because it fit her. It was made for her, so she sent it to me, and I can't wait to put it on her. I'm so excited. I'm ready for them to get out of the you know, Christmas clothes. We're past that. We just need to get her in the New Year clothes, and she's definitely ready to go for the New Year in her beautiful dress. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for coming in and joining me today. Thank you so much for my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I love you guys so much. You are the reason why I am here, and you always make me smile with your comments. I hope my videos are going through and everybody's been able to catch them, because I am putting them on Bella Bean and on my Facebook page at Maria Scott. But I have a funny feeling that sometimes people are not seeing them because I get like maybe one comment and I'm like, what's going on? Like, why am I only getting one comment? So I think there's a little something going on with the YouTube and my comment situation. I'm not sure, but usually I get like, you know, quite a few comments when I post videos, and I haven't been doing that. So I got to check that out on the YouTube and see what's happening. But anyways, guys, leave comments on my videos. That helps me look better to YouTube. If you like it, if you subscribe, if you know, give it a thumbs up, do whatever you need to do. We need to keep building this channel so I can do more stuff other than just changing. So I like to do different things. And if you have something that you want to see, let me know. Put it under the comments and I'll see what I can do. Maybe I can do it for you. So anyways, guys, take care, keep safe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!